All right, today I'm going to show you guys an intro how to make a puzzle cube piece. So to start, I'm going to click Create, and then I'm going to click Document. Once I have the document, I'm going to change the name to Puzzle Art 1. And then obviously Puzzle Part 2, Puzzle Part 3, Puzzle Part 4, Puzzle Part 5 as you guys continue to work on this. The other thing I want in the document name is your last name in there. So puzzle part 1, and then I would write your name. So every time you do that, you name the part, include your last name. Once you're done, you'll click OK. The next step when you get in here is to sketch. And then I always like to sketch from the front plane. So I'm going to click the front. And then using the cube over here to the right, I'm just going to click on the front. And I'm going to use the line tool to start drawing my shape. Okay, you don't have to worry about the measurements right now. You just have to make sure it's close and try to keep everything like 90 degrees. Okay, now once you have this complete, the next step is to dimension everything. So each cube on your shape is 0.75. So my part is going to be 2.25, which is equivalent to 3 cubes. This is going to be 1 cube. This is going to be 2 cubes. This is going to be only 1 cube. Now you don't have to dimension these two things because it'll actually over dimension the part. But for whatever reason, because you have this dimension and this dimension, this becomes shaded. Now this one should have been shaded as well. Not really sure what happened there. Okay, so after you're done, you're going to click the check mark here. And then you're going to click the extrude button. The extrude button will give it some depth. So it's depth right now is 1. You're always going to have to change that to 0.75 because the default is always at 1. Then I'm going to click the check mark. Okay, so if I look at this now, it's extruded out and now it's, gives the part some depth. Let's just say that you guys have like another cube that's attached to this L shape. What you do next is you would take the sketch tool again. You'd click on the side of the part that has the extra cube on it and click. Next, you could take either the line tool. For this specific one, I'm going to take the rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw the rectangle, and you can see that it snaps to that dimension and draw a rectangle right on that part. Now I'm going to extrude this, and again, change the extrusion to 0.75. Okay. The last step is just taking this part. There's a little appearance panel over to the right. And it's kind of shaded in right now as blue. You double click on that, and now you can change the color of your part. So let's say you colored this part in green. You click green, and then you'll click the check mark. Use the colors that you use for your specific part.